Mochung'ne kendo nya kwa Ramogi. Migao mochung'ne limbe chano siro piem mag yiedhi mitimo e kaonti ma Busia kaka achiel kuom yore mag ting'o malo weche limbe e kaonti no. Kaluwore gi jatend migao mar weche limbe Dr. Alfred Mutua, sir makamano biro ting'o malo piem makamago kendo chwalo sekta mar limbe kaonti ma Busia. Mutua wacho ni piem makamago bende biro lombo wang' joket mwandu manyalo biro kod yiedhi madongo kata cruise ship. Ne orwakgi kod gavana ma Busia Dr. Paulo Tuoma, seneta Okiya Omtata, jaod bura ma Budalangi Rafael Wanjala kaachiel gi jaod bura ma Funyula Wilberforce Mudenyo.
We are all agreeing as a county government, we need to bring in enabling legislations where it will be required to allow for investment in the tourism circuit, especially with a new thought process on what tourism should be. It is not just the short limited thing that we have been talking about. There are various opportunities in this area, and I leave that to Waziri to see what has come out of the discussions. And we as a county government, we have already revived the Department of Tourism, whereby we have now gotten at least the top personnel that are required, the directors, to be able now to anchor tourism in a department and to be given the attention that is required.
Kufikia December tukija hapa hizi racing, tulete Wakenya wote Busia, wakuje racing, cultural activity, wrestling, watembee huku waone mambo, pesa yaanze kumwagika hapa kaunti ya Busia. Cruise ship ya kuzunguka tu hapa kama zile zinazunguka Mediterranean Sea. Tunatafuta wawekezaji wakuja waweke hizo, tunajenga landing sites, lakini pia lazima tuwe na hoteli na circuits ambazo wakifika hapa Busia wanaenda wapi? Wanaingia basi, wanaenda pale, wanaingia hapa, wanaenda pale, wananua hapa.
Maromo mine kode nyiri 5,000 wito ngimagi higa ka higa e kinde mag nyuol ka